This is Kwajalein Atoll, one of the most remote and untouched marine environments on Earth. This is a jewel out in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. I got to do a lot of diving while I was out there, and of all the places I have dived at, this is the only place where I got to see these spectacular creatures. Ever wondered what secrets lie beneath the Marshall Islands' crystal clear waters? Today, we're diving for something truly spectacular. In this video, I am going to show you one of the Pacific's last wild frontiers and unveil Kwajalein's hidden giants. And there it is, the giant clam, one of the reef's most misunderstood legends. So I shot all this video on my GoPro Hero 13. Its settings were at 4K and 60 frames per second. So sit back and enjoy, grab some popcorn, and check out some of these beautiful clams. Most of these clams are going to be the common giant clam that are all over the reefs out here. But there is one towards the end that could be the unusual Tridacna squamosa, or the fluted clam. If you see one that is different, leave some comments down below. Also, hit the like and subscribe, and share it with friends. It really does help the channel. To that massive gape and their ability to snap shut. Sounds terrifying, right? Good news, there has never been a recorded human death caused by a giant clam. So, you're safe, mostly. Kids, do not try this if you ever see one. The giant clam's mantle looks like nature hit the neon button splashes of blue, green, and gold shimmering like an underwater lava lamp. It's bold, flashy, and fully solar-powered, proof that even clams like to show off a little.
giants aren't just big, they're old, really old. Some giant clams are believed to live over 100 years. That means this clam may have been here longer than your grandparents, and it's still not impressed. And here's where it gets wild. Giant clams are simultaneous hermaphrodites. Once mature, they have both male and female reproductive organs. When it's time to spawn, a single mature giant clam can release up to 500 million eggs in one event. That's not a family reunion, that's a population explosion.
Sadly, giant clams have been heavily harvested for food, especially their powerful adductor muscles, making them highly prized in some cultures. Those vibrant colors aren't just for looks. Giant clams host microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. The clams give them shelter and sun protection, and the algae pay rent by producing food through photosynthesis. It's basically a reef-side roommate agreement. Even though giant clams spend most of their lives planted in one spot, they're far from boring. They can actually see using light-sensitive receptors to detect shadows and movement. Yes, the clam is watching you. And if they don't like what they see, they can squirt a surprisingly accurate jet of water. Nature's version of back off. Sadly, giant clams have been heavily harvested for food, especially their powerful adductor muscles, making them highly prized in some cultures. But beyond their size and spectacle, giant clams are reef builders, providing shelter, food, and structure, and helping coral ecosystems thrive. Ancient, intelligent, surprisingly sassy. The giant clam isn't just part of the reef, it helps create it. And there it is, the giant clam.